Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix your Instagram Reels not loading, so let's get right into it. Now, this might be happening for a couple of different reasons. One of them might be just a software glitch through the Instagram app. One of them might be your connectivity, and some might be settings you've personally set up through Instagram. Now, if it's your internet connection, you should troubleshoot it and try and see if the problem is local or specifically for your device and your network. You should try restarting your router, do a speed test online to make sure that the internet speed is good enough, and if none of that works, then you should try and troubleshoot it in any way you can. If you have a network troubleshooter on your device and on your system, you should try that and maybe that will fix it. If not, if you're using your own data, then it might be due to your settings. If you go over into your settings and activity, go to your profile and click on the horizontal lines in the top right, go into your app and media, click on data usage and media quality. Make sure data saver is turned off because data saver disables loading videos and reels in advance, which prevents you from using more data than you actually need, and that might be causing you problems. Now, if it's your Wi-Fi and it's not a local problem, then you should wait, and your ISP will probably fix your problems. If it's due to them, you can give them a call, see if it's through them. And the other fix is just reinstalling Instagram or going into your apps and locating Instagram, going into storage, clearing the cache. And that could be what is bothering you. You should also try updating your Instagram app if it is outdated. And other than that, you can also try reinstalling the Instagram app as a whole, restarting your device, and so on and so forth. But that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.